Editable mesh, edit geometry rollout. We're going to go with detach. So we're going to detach a sub-object. So let's start off by making a cylinder. All right. And now that we have a cylinder, I'm going to right click, turn it into an editable mesh. And you can see over here I have an editable mesh. I'm going to select on the polygon. I'm going to scroll down into my edit geometry rollout. I'm going to pick on the top of this cylinder. In the top of the cylinder, I'm going to come over here and pick on detach. When I pick on detach, it gives me a dialog box. And so I can actually name this thing. And so I'm going to say it's, a cylinder top lid or something like that. All right. And I'm going to say OK. Now this is treated as a separate item. As you can see over here, I have this, the top lid is a separate item. I can turn that on or off, and I can move that thing if I like. So I can select that and move it around, and it's a separate item now. And we also, in the process, have a detach. When we go to detach it, when we brought up that dialog box, we could detach it as a clone. And this will select this sub object and it'll make a copy of it, and then we'll treat it as an individual object. So the difference between this and like delete, we just take the cylinder lid right off. Here we get to keep it and give it a separate object, and we get to name that object.